Hey guys, today we're talking about symmetry. Reflectional symmetry exists when a figure can be folded over onto itself along a line. This line is known as the line of symmetry. Symmetry is the division of an object into two parts identical in size and shape but opposite in orientation. An axis of symmetry can be drawn to show the division. In simple terms, symmetry can be thought of as a mirror image. The four shapes below have a line of symmetry, a vertical line of symmetry, where the left-hand side and the right-hand side are a mirror image of one another. We can find symmetry all around us in nature. The butterfly in the bottom left-hand corner has a line of symmetry because its left and right sides are very similar. The onion in the middle has a line of symmetry because if we place a vertical line straight down the middle of the onion, the left and right sides appear the same. And the bird to the right, look at the wings, look at the body. We can place a line of symmetry straight down the middle of the body of the bird, and the left and right sides appear very similar. We can find symmetry in the most fascinating places. If we have a look at these ancient Aboriginal rock paintings, we can see that there are lines of symmetry. If we grab our blue line right now and we bring it down and lay it on top of our turtle, we can say that there is a line of symmetry. The top and the bottom halves look like a mirror image. There is a line of symmetry in this ancient Aboriginal rock art. We could almost say that there is also a line of symmetry here between our two warriors. Look at how much they look like a mirror image of one another. However, the only thing that I would say that doesn't make these two warriors symmetrical is that the first warrior's arm is out to the side. If we took away that warrior's arm, we could say that the picture was symmetrical. And also maybe if we had a look and we took out this warrior's foot just here. If we take away those two parts, this image would almost have a line of symmetry. Symmetry can be found everywhere, and if we look at this Aboriginal artwork, what we can see is that some artwork can have multiple lines of symmetry and some pieces of artwork can only have one line of symmetry. So let's have a look. If we look in the top right hand corner, the piece of Aboriginal art has one vertical line of symmetry. So let's grab our green line and place it in the middle. If we have a look at the green line, we can see that the left and right sides of our piece of Aboriginal art are a mirror image of one another. So that is a vertical line of symmetry. Let's have a look down the bottom left-hand corner. If we have a look at the bottom left-hand corner and we grab our green line, we can see that the left and right sides are very symmetrical. They look like a mirror image of one another. But that's not the only line of symmetry that we can see. If we grab our yellow line and pull it down, we can see that there is a horizontal line of symmetry. So we have two lines of symmetry. In summary, reflectional symmetry is where two sides are a mirror image of one another, or a reflection. One other type of symmetry that we need to talk about is called rotational symmetry. A shape has rotational symmetry if you turn the shape and the shape formed is identical to the original. If I have a look at the Aboriginal art to the left-hand side, I have turned the art 45 degrees and it has remained the same. If we have a look at all the green lines laid over the piece of art, we can see that as we turn the image remains the same. If you turned your iPad or your device and you looked at the image, you would see that no matter which way you turned the image, it would remain the same. In summary, today we have discussed reflectional symmetry and rotational symmetry.